Reservations for the USS Arizona Memorial program can be booked online at Recreation.gov. Reservations are released 8 weeks in advance or the day before at 3 p.m. Hawaiian Standard Time. Tickets go very quickly, so be sure to be logged into your Rec.gov account early so that you're ready. Once you've finished booking, you'll receive an email with your reservation confirmation and QR code attached. Make sure to read all of that thoroughly because it contains valuable information about this program. We recommend arriving at the park 1 hour early in case there's traffic, if you need to store a bag, if you wanted to explore the museums, or watch the park film before your program. Once it's time for you to check in, you'll check in at the theater 10 minutes early. You'll be in the reservation check-in line with everyone else in your tour time. Your reservation time is the time your boat departs, so it's very important that you arrive to check in 10 minutes early at the theater. If you are unable to make your reservation, you will be directed to join the standby line. Reservations are only available online. There are no tickets that are handed out at the park. Park rangers are not able to make or change reservations. And if you are unable to make a reservation, that's okay. Just come to the park and join the free standby line.